SJCAM C400 4K action camera, dual screens, 7-hour battery, and stabilization that works.
You're halfway through filming the perfect vlog take when you glance down, battery dead. Again. My friend lost an entire sunset time-lapse last week because his action cam died at 40 minutes. The frustration is real. You're not asking for miracles, just a camera that doesn't quit before you do. Type dead if your camera has betrayed you mid-shoot. You're not alone.
That suffocating moment when you're packing 3 spare batteries, a power bank, and still running out of juice before lunch. Missed moments pile up. A creator I know missed his daughter's entire recital because he was hunting for an outlet. The mental drain is exhausting. What if you could just shoot freely, confidently, without battery paranoia shadowing every frame? Relief is closer than you think. Then I tested the SJCAM C400 4K action camera and everything shifted. Don't just pick any pocket camera, make sure it has dual touchscreens and extended battery power so you never experience dead camera panic or blind vlogging guesswork again. This thing records 4K at 30 frames per second with 6-axis gyro stabilization that smooths walking footage like you're gliding. The 2.29-inch rear screen handles menus. The 1.3-inch front flip screen lets you frame yourself perfectly without guessing. But here's the breakthrough. With the handle and auxiliary battery attached, you get 437 minutes over 7 hours of continuous 4K recording. A travel vlogger I know nearly missed capturing a surprise proposal during an all-day hike, but the C400 kept rolling through the entire trek without flinching. The 90-degree flip screen adjusts for low angles, overhead shots, or quick selfie checks. Add 8 times slow motion at 720p for creative flair. Bonus insight, the handle battery doubles as an ergonomic grip, so extended handheld shooting feels natural, not exhausting. Comment flip if dual screen vlogging sounds like your next upgrade.
3 months in, you're shooting entire events on a single charge without stress. One tech reviewer confirmed, the C400's battery life claim is accurate. I recorded over 5 hours of mixed 4K and 1080p footage and still had power remaining. For the price, the stabilization and dual screen setup are genuinely impressive. A budget-conscious student creator shared, I charge it overnight and it lasts through an entire day of classes and content creation. I've gotten so many compliments on my video quality since switching to this camera. Industry analysts note SJCAM positioned the C400 to democratize 4K content creation by making capable video accessible without premium pricing. A motorcycle rider mentioned, the 6-axis stabilization smoothed out helmet cam vibrations better than I expected from a camera at this price. Footage was completely watchable. Worried about complexity? The touchscreen interface is smartphone intuitive. Beginners navigate menus within minutes. The slow motion feature adds creative polish to action clips and B-roll. See why travel creators and family vloggers refuse to shoot without it now? Which feature matters most? Comment 1 for battery life, 2 for dual screens, 3 for stabilization. The C400 doesn't just record, it keeps up with your pace, your creativity, your ambition. All day, every day. The SJCAM C400 4K action camera gives you dual touchscreens, 6-axis stabilization, 4K recording, and up to 437 minutes of continuous power. Everything you need without the premium anxiety. Join the creators already seeing consistent workflow improvements and stress-free shooting sessions. Results may vary based on usage and settings. Links waiting in the description and pinned comment. Click it to see how this camera fits your creative life. Your next adventure deserves a camera that won't quit halfway. Simple as that.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.